for a solid cybersecurity solution is ever increasing as cyber attacks become complex. Douzone always strives to develop information security products to respond to continuously and quickly evolving security threats. We are proud to introduce the DFAS Field Kit, a new digital forensic-based integrated analysis solution. With different systems, well-trained experts need special equipment and at least 10 hours for in-depth analysis. DFAS Field Kit have an easy-to-use UI so that integrated analysis and profiling can be done in the field of the crime. Crucial data can be easily searched for with a simple but strong keyword search. Filters can be used to see search results for only the category the analyst needs. The analyst can choose to pre-register words onto a watch list so that the search results can be sorted by a certain topic. It is easy to analyze what happens before and after a certain event with the near-time analysis feature. Communication data can be visualized into a graph to see the communication relationships of the suspect. Geolocation data stored in mobile devices can also be visualized onto a map to track what happened when and where. DFAS Field Kit has passed strict quality controls with its solid performance so that you can use its intuitive UI without hassle. A wireless keyboard touchpad, a built-in write blocker, a hard disk port, and USB slots are all included for your forensic needs. Douzone Forensic Center has supplied the DFAS solution and offered consulting to customers all around the world, including countries like Korea, Indonesia, Tanzania, and Japan. If you have any inquiries, please contact Douzone Forensic Center for more information.